In a remote region of northern India, a global mission pioneer uses a volleyball and a net as tools to reach his village. Pioneer DK had a dream. He wanted to establish an Adventist presence in this community where there were no Christian churches. DK started by creating a volleyball club. He collected a small participation fee so he could buy a volleyball and a net. Then he began teaching the young men to play. The word quickly spread about the club, and the participants grew from 40 to 150 players. Today, this club is a major attraction among the surrounding villages. Mothers, fathers, and siblings, the whole family, comes to watch the tournaments.
This is my favorite game. Playing this sport always gives me energy. I like playing with my friends so much. We have good sportsmanship and this game unites us.
The youth feel invigorated by the activities, and they often come for training and exercises.
This activity has a very good influence on the village youth. They must abstain from mischief and getting into trouble because those with bad habits are not allowed to play.
The lessons they learn here go beyond volleyball. The players build character and confidence as they work together to improve their skills. Parents are also happy with the changes they see in their children. When DK comes to visit the families, their doors are wide open. DK often travels long distances on his bicycle. At times, he pedals 10 to 20 miles to bring the message of hope. Here, a group of mothers listens attentively as they learn about Jesus for the very first time. DK speaks with a sense of friendship and personal involvement that shows his love and interest for the villagers' well-being. The youth also look up to Coach DK. They are eager to hear stories of Bible heroes who won with God's help. The players often pray for their community and friends and for the games they play in.
The game is a way to connect with the community and make friendships. I distribute pamphlets to gather the people. We also connect the games to the church and, at times, hold worship in the place where we play.
Today, there is a small church in the village. Some 66 baptized believers meet regularly to sing, pray, and worship God. DK leads this group of believers during the week and in the Sabbath service. Pioneer DK's dream of growing a new group of Adventist believers in this community has come true. But he knows there is still much work to be done. And when he looks back at what God has accomplished in the 7 years he's worked here, DK is confident that the future is bright. Please pray for the global mission work among the unreached people of northern India. Pray for DK as he continues ministering through sport activities. We need many more pioneers working in these unentered regions.